How to fix could not connect to iCloud. This phone number cannot be used at this time. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iCloud not using your phone number whenever you try to create a new account or whenever you try to simply back up your account. So yeah, this is how you fix it. The first thing that you'll need to check is your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. If it is connected but it's not working, try to disconnect it and connect it back again. You can turn on your airplane mode and turn it back off again after a few seconds as well. After you do that, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to head over to your settings, and on your settings head over to general. On your general, scroll down. There you should see VPN and device management. Make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are, make sure that you disconnect. After doing that, you will need to head over to your transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Reset your network settings and just come back here. Now, what you'll then need to do is you will need to make sure that your date and time is correct. Make sure that your region is also correct. You can head over to the region section and change your region to your correct region. Also, change your date and time. Make sure that you choose your date and time zone correctly. And after you do that, what you'll need to do is you can restart your iPhone as well. Now, if that does not help, what you can do is you can just wait, or if your phone number is the problem here, make sure that you use another phone number, as iCloud or your phone number is used in another account, which might be the reason that you cannot use your phone number in this account. So yeah, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.